miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, come around 3:55 p.m. Sago around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Butler,